Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lundi Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I also share my investment journey with you. So today I will be sharing you what I would like to achieve for my FIRE plan, and I'm also going to be starting to share with you what it is I want to put in place to get to that early retirement, and it will also help you understand a lot of the future videos that will be coming out on my channel. I just would like to do a shout out for Arjun Singh because it was his idea to do a video about my FIRE ideas and FIRE journey. So for the Financial Independence Retire Early Plan, or FIRE, we are going to have a few things in place. I would like to get a little bit of money from a lot of platforms to be able to, at 50, definitely have half our income, and at 55 have a full income. Now the way the plan is working at the minute, I might be able to pull it off to have a full income at 50, but if I don't, the main plan is to retire anyway at 55, where we stop working completely, or completely have a choice if we want to go to work or not. Now our first plan is to work for 6 months of the year and holiday for 6 months of the year, because the 6 months we have holiday, we'll still have a passive income coming in, but the 6 months we work, we want to take all the money for the passive income to push that over to the 6 months that we don't work, and save as much money in the time we work to push over to the 6 months we don't work. So we basically work for 6 months and holiday for 6 months, traveling all over the world to see what we want to do. The other option that we are thinking about at the moment is working half the month. So we work for 2 weeks in the month, and the other 2 weeks we have a motorhome and go travel in Europe, UK, wherever we feel like it. So this is an idea at the moment. The other option that we've got is to basically work half days. So we only work part-time in the mornings. That means after lunchtime, the day is ours to do what we want, to go where we want, and to just have a nice time and relax a bit more and not have that 9 to 5 rush anymore. So that's the three options we are looking at the moment for 50. But at 55, we want to completely retire and do whatever we want. If we still feel like we want to work because we're bored, we want to be able to choose to go to work and not have to work to pay the bills. So I'll be showing you my whole journey, what I'm doing. Now I've already got a lot of videos on my channel on how to save money, because at the moment we are only going to be on 2 minimum wages, and we have drawn back all our expenses so we can still invest in our future for retirement early, and I'll be sharing all those journeys with you. But you need to diversify your portfolio. So with that, I'll be showing you everything I'm doing. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now I've got my Trading 212 account, which I've been investing in for the last 3 months. Now this is sort of my playing account where I pick individual stocks which I like for dividend growth, and the ones I'm going to invest in for growth stocks, which I would like to bring me an income, and the growth stocks I want to keep to the age of 50 or 65 before I sell them off to give me as much of a retirement pot as possible. And then I'm also going to open another account where I go into dividend investing with EFTs, where my portfolio is a lot safer and more diversified, where each stock I buy is a portfolio of an EFT, where everything is diversified to try and give me the highest repayments on those accounts, but also the maximum safety for our retirement. Now I'm wanting £100 to £200 a month from this account as well, so that gives me already £200 to £400 of income for my retirement, which I think is not a bad start. Then I'm also looking at cryptocurrency, how to trade You can build a business, or you can just invest your money where it actually trades for you. I'll be sharing a video on how I do that, sharing my whole journey with you, because it's something I'm only starting now as well. Now, I want to show you how that works. Now, if the plan is everything, I work on a minimum. But if we continue with our plans, we will be able to save enough to actually retire at 50 on full income. Now, the plan with the other one is to also just get 100 to 200 pounds. My YouTube channel, if I can grow that to just give me another 100 to 200 pounds a month. I also would like to be investing in gold and silver. Don't have all the platforms and stuff ready for that yet, but as soon as I start that, I'll be sharing that journey with you as well. So anything I'll be doing to get my retirement sorted early, I'll be sharing with you. As well as doing all of this, we are also saving money. It's all about planning and having a look at what it is you want to achieve and where you want to go. But I will be sharing my whole journey with you throughout on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.